Welcome to the Elecrow classroom. Today we will learn about the slider control and brightness adjustment application. First, create a new project. Rename the project name and select the corresponding path. Select M series and 7-inch size. Add a background image. Rename page name. Add the controls we need to learn today. Progress bar control, slider control, and text control. First, make basic settings for the text control. Then set the slider control. Set start and current values. Choose bind with slider. When the progress bar control and the slider control are used in association, the ID of the progress bar control must be adjacent to the ID of the slider control. And the control ID of the progress bar is smaller than the ID of the slider control. At this time, the two can be used in association. Select the background of the progress bar control. Next, set up the slider control. Also set the starting value. Select the cursor pattern for the slider. Okay, let's see the effect. It reports that startup screen is not exist. Let config the startup screen in Tools, Configure Device. Select an existing page as the startup page. Run again. When sliding the slider, it can successfully control the sliding of the progress bar. However, the value of the text control does not move change. Here you need the LUA program to set up to link the text control. Now, the text control and the slider control can be linked. At the same time, you can also set the value of the progress bar through the command. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you next time.